Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Grand Cherokee oil life. First, make sure your vehicle is parked securely on a flat surface. Then, without pressing the brake pedal, push your start button twice to put the ignition into the on/RUN position. This powers up your vehicle's accessories and display without actually starting the engine, which is crucial for accessing the oil life menu. Next, you will use the arrow buttons located on the left side of your steering wheel. These controls allow you to navigate through your instrument cluster display. Scroll up or down until you highlight the Vehicle Info option. Once Vehicle Info is selected, use the left or right arrows to find the Oil Life submenu. This is where your current oil life percentage is displayed. Now that you are on the Oil Life screen, locate the OK button, usually in the center of your steering wheel controls. Press and hold this OK button firmly for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. You should see the oil life percentage on your display change, indicating that it has successfully reset to 100%. This confirms the system is ready to track your next oil change interval. After the reset, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Then, restart your Jeep Grand Cherokee to ensure the oil change required message no longer appears. Remember, resetting the indicator is important after every oil change. Always consult your owner's manual for specific oil type recommendations and the ideal mileage or time interval for your vehicle's routine maintenance. Keeping up with these changes helps maintain engine health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.